What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Katana Man today. So, we're going to start with his hat, right? So, lots of blades, real big blades. We'll just put his head up here. Might have to zoom in for you because it's pretty small. We'll start with his hat. Use a pencil eraser. I'm on a landscape page. Sketch it out lightly. Erase your mistakes. And hit pause if I go too fast. We'll go up here. So, let's rock. So, we go this way. So we go just diagonal. Right, we're doing kind of like the strap for his hat, kind of like the back of it. Right, like so. Right, and then we have this medallion at the front, right, that like curves around the front here. It's all golden patterns and stuff on it, but we'll just get the shape. Right, like so. And then we kind of reach to the back and around like this, right? And we'll go up and over to the front. And then we'll go back this way. Now, if I go too fast, remember, just hit pause. Right, and then there's a strap there, like another line there, and some sort of bolt or something there, like a button. Right, so then we have a golden ridge going that way. And then some like fold lines for his hat. Like so. And then there are these golden lines, but we'll just do them in black just so we know where they are. We can change them to gold afterwards if you're coloring. And then as much of these sort of patterns that you want to do inside this. So the katana itself goes that way and it crosses another one coming out of his hand. But we'll just get his face done, right? So we're just going to leave maybe like a bit of a gap, right? So we'll just go with the katana, say, starts coming out here. And it like joins his face with these bumpy lines, right? And then it'll go swoosh that way. But we'll just get the rest done first. So this comes down for his teeth, right? And it bumps across the teeth here. Right, and then the back of the teeth will be there, and then we bump across like so. And then you just add his teeth. So they don't like match up perfectly, right? So there's like some longer ones and shorter ones. So like there seems to be a gap between these. I'll just color this black. Okay. And then his lip there. And then we have a big sharp chin. That'll go down to there. Then this comes back. There. Like so. And then this goes another line that goes right up sort of near the corner there. And then I think there's another little place just underneath his chin. There. So he's got like different sections to his head. So this spiky sort of black section here goes around like this at the back of his head. And we have another plate here. And another one just in his jaw there. And then we have all sorts of textures and things, you know, coming up from his teeth. Down from the teeth there. You can do as much texture as you want, like that, and maybe some lines just on this stuff as well. This is the back of his neck, comes down here, and he's got a big collar as well, so the collar kind of comes this way. Down there, and the back of it goes around the back of his neck here. Right, and he's got a bit of a collar that comes out the front. It goes like around his neck, and then down there. Then we have all these cords that kind of, you know, come across his neck like so. Like a dark one here. Okay. So, what we can see of his body before the hand. So we'll go with his jacket just going down to about there. And then we have the inside of it. Down like that. And then there's a bit of an edge line on this. And here too. And then this comes out, down. And then there's buttons. There. So jacket comes out, shoulder comes around, down like so, like a shoulder line there, full line there. And then this will go all the way down to his elbow nearly. And his back, you know, goes all the way down. Long jacket, so it just goes whoosh. And then the elbow bumps around here. And we have his jacket then. The sleeve of it there. And then it goes down. And we keep sort of bumping it. Like so, you know, because there's like lots of folds for his clothing and everything. Like so. Like that. And then another sleeve sort of area here. And the katana starts to come out from here then. So it goes to there. Right, so then rest his jacket on the other side. Out, around like that. And then the inside of the jacket comes down to there. And then that's an edge. And it goes around like so, down, another edge, there. Full lines on his jacket, like so. And then lines coming down of his jacket there, down like so. And then his clothing bumps down around here. And then we have a button there. And the center of his shirt there. And then we have a belt. And that just goes down that way. And then the rest of his jacket kind of just flows off this way. And then goes down there. And we just put some fold lines on his jacket there as well. Okay, swords. So we'll do, which one we do first? We'll do the hand one first because the other one's sort of behind it, right? So his hand comes out from here, right? And it's kind of split in half, okay? So we have a knuckle here. And then another knuckle here. And then this finger goes down behind his thumb. So his thumb is like here, bumping around. Like this, down to there. And you got like a thumbnail on top. And then this finger will go in behind that thumb. And so hands can be quite tricky now, so take your time. This comes up to a knuckle. And there. Okay, so you might need a ruler for the swords. Oops. So we're going to go all the way up to like the top corner. We'll make it as big as we can. Boom. And then up to there. Okay, and then it comes out from his sleeve, like right here somewhere. Okay, so somewhere here. We'll just wing it and pray. And then it's curved at the top as well, so we've got to stop sort of before the end. All right, so kind of here, and then it's real pointy, and then it goes like that. And then it has like a beveled edge, right? So you've got to like follow it around again, and then it just goes down. We'll go before it's straight there. We just go down. Like that. And then, of course, if you want, like, you can put blood splatter and like scratches and stuff. You know, you can put like circles of blood and all that. But you do that with color, really. So the one coming out of his face. So we're going to go all the way down to there. So we'll go. We'll go. And then down here. This one is like kind of turned on its side, so we're not looking at the wide part of it. So it's kind of like pointy on top, back, and then we just bring it back this way, all the way up to his head. It might give it a bit of an edge as well. Okay, we give it an edge on this. So like another sort of section of beveled edge, or like a sharpened edge, you know. Just do a thin one. Like that. And like some sharpening parts and stuff. Some scratches. And then the handle at the back is all we need now. So there's like a bump that comes out of the back of his head. And the handle doesn't have to be perfectly straight, but we'll just go like that. And then diagonal down and back here. And there's like a golden thing on the end. And then this has all like so. And that, my friends, is how to draw Katana Man. Cool character. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.